going, everyone? Well, today on Science and Ballistics, part 2 of the Temu Ballistic Helmet. I'm not ready to write it off yet. 9mm full metal jacket, 115 grain, supersonic. At close range, it did go through, but let's do a step down. Let's try something a little less caliberistic. Let's go 22 long rifle from a greater distance than pretty much point blank. Let's just see if you're out in the field in a 22 world, will it be a 22 helmet? Well, it moved. Is that a good sign? Do we dare look? That's a piece of the jacket, the bullet. Where did we hit? Okay. Where? We were going through this way. Okay, it got in the fabric, so I'm gonna turn that off. So, Mother of Lords, it went through. Went through. How much damage did it do on someone's head? Yes. Man. Hole. Interesting results, and I'll try to be as quick and clear as possible. As you see, there was our entry. Matches that entry. Went through. Where did that hole come from? And how did we acquire the bullet itself laying on the base? Well, here it is. No, these calculations can't be right. This is fantasy. Regardless, here are the calculations of Science and Ballistics. Entry here. You can kind of see a little bullet residue there. Powered through, exited, hit the inside of the helmet, jacket dropped on the base. Here's how I gathered that. Entry here, coming from this angle. Hole straight through. Kind of did a little weird, sporadic, angular exit, but 22 long rifles are some nasty little rounds. Clipping this, hitting the inside of the helmet. You can see the scratch right there. Slides down, drops, and you have the bullet. Okay. Well, like I said, I wouldn't call it a ballistics helmet, but a very cool, heavy bump helmet.